Shadow banning, a weird phrase that's been around the internet for a fair while now. A shadow ban is where you're in a community on one of our many social media platforms in the world, and when you comment, your comments can't be seen anymore. You may be commenting away and you can think that your post is being seen, but nobody else can see it. It's just you that can see it. In fact, even when you sign in and go and have a look at videos or go and have a look at a social media post, you are still there and you feel that you're taking part in that conversation. But you're not. Why would you be shadow banned? Maybe you've been abusive. Maybe you've been annoying. Maybe you're a spam bot. Maybe you've been posting way too much and you're breaking rules, because Reddit does that very, very well. It lets you think that you're talking to the world when you're just shouting in an empty room. How do I know that I'm shadow banned? Well, on YouTube, if you comment on a video and there's no reply, there's no likes, and when you go to that video, it's hard to find your comment, and if you scroll all the way down to the most recent, there's a chance that you could be shadow banned. One surefire way of testing this is sign out of your accounts and see if you can find your comment. Maybe even sign into a completely different account and see if you can find your original comment. If you can't find it, you could be shadow banned. But there is a small note that it might also be that the comment section on YouTube has been moving so fast on popular videos that it just hasn't registered you yet, and that comment will be added shortly over time. How can you shadow ban people? If someone's really annoying you just want to get rid of them, but you don't want to annoy them so they can make 17 billion more accounts to spam you or to flame, how do you block that person and just let them shout into the void? It's simple. You go to the comment, use the little 3 dots, you drop down, and it says hide this person from this channel. What this does is it will hide all future comments from that person, and including the one that you've just hid from the channel. They will remain subscribed, they will remain on the notifications list, they will still get your videos, and they'll still be able to chat as much as they want in the comment section, but nobody else will see them. Now, this is a power that you can do absolutely anything that you wish with. It can be a great way of removing toxic comments or even the spam bots. Just don't exploit it too much, like this YouTube exploit that you've got to go and check out now.